captain on the bridge.
All crew to the assembly area.
Keeping watch. Establishing visual contact. We are under attack. Damage reported. Keeping watch.
Stop all engines.
Establishing visual contact.
Half ahead. Establish visual contact. Stop engines. Captain, the target has been captured. That's a hit. Both engines, half speed ahead.
Establishing visual contact.
The target destroyed. Stop the engines. Engines, full speed.
Keeping watch.
Stop engines. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Establish visual contact. We are under fire. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. The enemy has been destroyed.
Establishing visual contact.
The target is within range.
Keeping watch. I see a hit on the target.
Half ahead. Stop the engines.
Establishing visual contact.
Slow astern, both. Fire on command.
Keeping watch. Our ship is under enemy attack.
Stop engines.
Establishing visual contact.
Target destroyed. Establish visual contact. Flank speed ahead.
Keeping watch. Establishing visual contact.
Stop all engines. The enemy has been destroyed. Establish visual contact. Both engines, half speed ahead.
Perfect time to speed up. Establishing visual contact.
Half ahead. Captain, the target has been captured. The target destroyed. Missile launched. That's a hit. Establish visual contact. Engines, full speed. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Both engines, half speed ahead.
Keeping watch. Establishing visual contact. I see a hit on the target.
Establish visual contact. Captain, the target has been captured. 5 knots ahead.
Keeping watch.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. The target destroyed. Full combat alert on the ship. Stand by. Stop the engine. Establish visual contact. Target hit. Missile launched at target. Enemy elimination confirmed.
Enemy ship on the radar. Establishing visual contact.
Establish visual contact. That's a hit. The target is within range. Torpedo fired. Starboard to helm.
Keeping watch.
Both engines, half speed ahead.
Establishing visual contact. Enemy target eliminated.
Stop engines. Captain, the target has been captured. Target hit.
Keeping watch.
Enemy elimination confirmed. Stop all engines. Half a stir. The target is within range. Stand by for action. All hands to battle station. Torpedo to the enemy ship. Half ahead.